The Meghalaya Cabinet announced key decisions on the 31st of October 2023. These include the streamlining of the police recruitment process, the approval to conduct the Departmental Examination 2023 for officers of the Indian Police Services (IPS) within the state, the amendment in Fisheries Service Rules allowing the inclusion of MSc in Fishery Science and MSc in Applied Aquaculture for exemption from mandatory training, the revision of excise and bonded warehouse rules, and the approval of the proposed list of holidays for the year 2024, providing clarity for upcoming public holidays in the state.
Decided for the 5 items today. The first one is, with regard to reclassification of brand amendment of Adbolorem amendment of rules of 376 of Meghalaya Excise Amendment Rules 2021, an amendment of MBAT on liquor, amendment of Rule 44 within bracket 10 of Meghalaya Bonded Warehouse Rules within bracket Assam Bonded Warehouse Rules 1965 as adopted and amended by Meghalaya, and insertion of Rule 44 within bracket 15 of the Meghalaya Bonded Warehouse Rules within bracket Assam Bonded Warehouse Rules 1965 as adopted and amended by Meghalaya, file number ERTS within bracket E3/2022. So this actually it is there are many various brands we have been having in our state. So we have reclassified for better tax collection. So number one, now we will have 5 categories instead of 6 categories. In general, the increase in excise duty be about 15%. An additional 50 crore per year was we were getting. Now present excise collection is about 350 crore per year. Cabinet approved the amendment of Meghalaya Fisheries Service Rules 2017 for inclusion of MSc in Fishery Science and MSc in Applied Aquaculture in the list of exemption from attending the prescribed course of training, along with BFSC, that is 4 years course, graduates as required under Rule 1 and Rule 3 of the above mentioned rule. The proposed list of holidays is, total number of holidays proposed for the year 2024 are as follows. A. Under general holidays including Saturdays and Sundays at Annexure 1 is 23 days. B. Under National Negotiable Instruments Act holidays including Saturdays and Sundays at Annexure 2 is 22 days. Number C. Special holiday on account of Reverend Thomas John's Day is 1. D. Restricted holiday including Saturdays and Sundays at bottom of Annexure 1, that is 9 days. 2023 for officers of the Indian Police Services, that is IPS, and that file number is file number SPL.162/2017. Actually, for the departmental examinations for IPS was conducted by UPSC for promotions. Now it will be conducted by MPSC here in the state. Number 5 item, that is revised uniform guidelines for recruitment of police personnel in Meghalaya Police. This is file number SPL.231/2023.
Constables and unarmed branch constables, including fireman and MPRO operators. These are the rules which relate to the Central Recruitment Board, which conducts the recruitment for the police force. We had seen in the past that these recruitment would take quite a long time because of the various rules. So we have tried to streamline the rules so that we can ensure that the recruitment process is completed efficiently, transparently, in the fastest possible time. So these rules are quite a few, but just to summarize, these rules are to ensure that the recruitment process for sub-inspectors, for constables, both AB and UB, will be conducted efficiently and taking the least possible time. Thank you.